Good afternoon. My name is Mike Maroney, and I am coming to you today from the Monex Precious Metals Studio. It's January 19th, Friday, and it looks like the U.S. government may actually have a shutdown in store. What we're looking at right now is the Democrats and the Republicans haven't been able to come together as far as a budget is concerned, so it looks like only the spending that is absolutely necessary will be taken care of by the U.S. government. Now, interestingly enough, if we go back in history to look at the last time this situation occurred, you would go back to October 1st, 2013. Interestingly enough, gold was trading at $1,351, very similar to where we're trading at now, and silver was trading as high as $22.50. Over the next 2 weeks, gold ended up dropping all the way back down to $12.55, and silver dropped all the way back down to $20.49. Both precious metals selling off as the government finally was able to put things back together on October 16th. So the actual shutdown lasted for 16 days. At that point, what was really the driving force as far as the market was concerned was the fear of liquidity and the fear of a tight situation as far as overall growth was concerned. So it's no wonder we actually saw many assets drop in value. Now today we have a very different situation as both the S&P and Dow made new all-time highs, and gold has recently run from $12.35 all the way up to $13.35, and silver from $15.68 all the way up to $17.40. So what sits out on the immediate horizon? The bottom line right now is we are grossly underpricing risk as far as this market is concerned. And this is just one small event that could take place that could potentially cause a sudden perception change as far as the U.S. stocks. If you look at the VIX, the volatility index, it's at extraordinarily low levels because greed runs strong and fear almost seems non-existent. If fear starts to kick back into the marketplace and suddenly investors look for a safe haven, we could see a massive capital flow back into precious metals. So, if we're fortunate enough to get a bit of a pullback based on the historic precedent set back in 2013, gold offers outstanding value anywhere in that $1,250 to $1,300 price zone. And silver offers outstanding value anywhere in that $15.50 to $17 price zone. So, if this government shutdown, like the last one, causes asset prices to swing to the downside, and you have an opportunity to look at precious metals, which have been sort of the dog of the overall market over the last 4 or 5 years, now may be one of the better times to look at diversifying your portfolio with a non-correlated asset such as gold and silver to smooth out the inevitable risk that exists in all financial entities. Give us a call here at Monex so we can share some strategies with how precious metals could fit into your portfolio. Thank you.